I know what I'm doing.
Here.
Swap spit in the vice principal's office. But our lips just be calling me, Mr. Hightower. We can't live without each other.
Excuse me. Now these are
Obsy.
urges, but you'll be happy.
Hi. Say hi, Mommy.
In other words, y'all got to quit acting so.
This is Aubrey's ponytail.
Or else I'm gonna have to hold you down and call your mama and your daddy. No need to go there, Mr. Hightower. We got the message.
Who are you looking at? You looking at Lauren?
If you keep putting in these kids.
Where is your toy?
Oh, sure. And your Huggy Bear decor just screams
Look.
authority.
This has already been a most stressful morning for me. I think I just need to chill.
Okay, you gonna play with your teddy bear? Hmm? Oh yeah. Here. Yeah. Here.
Cable says they offer choices, but what does that really mean?
This is our most popular bundle. I feel it. All right. They also offer this combination.
We'll roll all the way over.
No. We can do.
Look, here, come get it.
This.
You can do it.
Drop cable and call AT&T now to choose the 3 services that are right for you for under $100 a month. Wireless, high-speed internet, home phone, and advanced TV. Plus, get up to $200 cash
There you
back
go.
with qualifying bundle plans when you switch from cable. Get more HD channels than cable.
Come on, give me your hand.
Network with the best coverage worldwide and high-speed internet at home with access to the nation's largest Wi-Fi network, including Starbucks. Call now to choose any 3 services for under $100 a month. Plus, get up to $200 cash back with other qualifying bundle plans when you switch from cable. Hey. AT&T, your world delivered.
Hey, honey, bro. I see you got your pictures back from your cousin's baby christening, huh?
Yep. There's my cousin Cameron and her man herself. And your new baby girl, Barbara.
Uh-oh. You got buzz in your mouth.
Do we buy it a rattle or a flea collar?
I know something you like. I know something you like.
You can never predict genetics.
What is that? Yeah.
Because Cameron, she just a fake cousin your mama took in to get that state money, right?
I hope so. I better call.
Go get it. Go get it.
Plus, I don't want to be late for analytic geometry.
Oh, speaking of hard and track, my folks from New Jersey for Medellin contest.
Come on. Remember we did this the other day.
Oh, yeah. I told you. I'm saving that special moment for my wedding night. But, no.
Here, go get it. You not gonna go get it?
I hear the man is trying to stamp out your love.
Oh, you're being lazy. Look at the cell phone. I thought this was your favorite toy. Aubrey.
Tessa said no about this weekend, man. It's killing me.
Romeo, sex is new. You know that what you need to do is find a woman who cares about you and can hold a good
Okay, say bye to the camera. You're not in the play mood tonight. Say bye-bye, everybody.